In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request a name change on Payoneer. If you recently updated your legal name or noticed a typo on your account, this walkthrough will help you submit a proper name change request. Before we start, make sure you have your identification documents handy, as you'll be asked to upload them during the process. Begin by signing in to your Payoneer account. For the smoothest experience, use a secure internet connection and the latest version of your browser. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the dashboard for your profile icon. Click it, and from the drop-down that appears, select Settings. This takes you to the area where you can manage account details. Within Settings, choose Profile Settings. Here you'll see several sections for your personal information. Find the panel labeled Name and Email. Click the Edit button in that window to open the controls for your account information. Under your current name, you'll see a link that says Request Name Change. Click that link to start the request. Payoneer handles name changes through a review process to protect your account and keep records accurate, so don't worry if it feels a bit formal. That's normal. You'll be prompted to select a reason for the change. Choose the option that best fits your situation, such as a legal name change or an error that happened during sign-up. Selecting the most accurate reason helps the review team verify your request more quickly. Next, follow the on-screen prompts to upload the required documents. Typically, you'll need a government-issued ID or passport, and, if applicable, a legal name change certificate. Make sure your documents are clear, in color, and fully visible. No cut-off edges or glare. If you're taking photos, place the document on a flat, well-lit surface and capture the entire front and back when required. Accepted file formats usually include JPG, PNG, or PDF, and keeping file sizes reasonable helps avoid upload errors. Double-check that the name on your documents matches the new name you're requesting. After uploading everything, submit the request. You should see a confirmation that your submission was received. From here, Payoneer will review your information and update you on the status. Processing times can vary depending on volume and the clarity of the documents, so keep an eye on your email and account notifications for any updates or additional requests. That's it. You've signed in, navigated to Profile Settings, opened the name and email section, requested the name change, selected your reason, uploaded your documents, and submitted the request. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you move through the process with confidence.